Okay, let's just dive right into this. The whole conversation around artificial intelligence is, well, it's loud, it's emotional, and frankly, a lot of it is just not helpful. We're all getting hit with these crazy headlines about AI replacing everyone, and it's time to cut through all that noise.
Right now, the entire debate seems to be stuck between two really unhelpful extremes. On one side, you've got the total panic, this idea that the machines are going to take over every single thing. And on the other, you have these comforting lies, like the myth that human creativity is somehow untouchable.
So, you have to ask yourself, which one of these reactions is actually useful? Which one gives us a real strategy for what's coming our way?
The answer is neither of them. Panic, it just paralyzes you with fear. And those comforting lies, they just make you complacent, and they make you lazy. Both of these are total dead ends that stop us from doing anything meaningful.
So we need to ask a much better question, a much more precise question. It's not if AI is going to replace humans. The real question, the one we're going to dig into today, is this. What exactly can't AI replace yet? And maybe even more importantly, why? Because that why, man, that's where all your leverage is.
Before we go any further, let's be super clear about what AI actually is. It is not magic. It's not consciousness or wisdom. At its core, AI is a prediction engine. You train it on a mountain of past data, you tell it to get better at reducing mistakes, and you power it with a mind-boggling amount of computing power. This gives it incredible capabilities for sure, but also very, very specific limits.
And that brings us right to the first skill that AI just cannot replace: judgment. This is all about owning the decision. It's about acting with real accountability, especially when you don't have all the answers.
This slide just lays it out perfectly. An AI is fantastic at generating options. It can spit out 100 different business strategies, no problem. But it takes human judgment to stare at those 100 options and decide to bet the entire company on just one of them. So why can't an AI do this? It's actually pretty simple. AI has zero skin in the game. It faces absolutely no consequences if it gets it wrong. There's no accountability, no risk, and not a shred of responsibility. An AI doesn't feel the weight of a decision, but we humans absolutely do.
And this quote, wow, it just captures the new reality perfectly. AI is making intelligence abundant. It's everywhere. So in a world that is flooded with options and data, the person who just sits there and hesitates, they're going to look incompetent. Decisive human judgment is more critical now than it has ever been.
Okay, skill number 2, and it builds right on top of that first one: taste. And look, we're not talking about art or style here. Think of taste as the ultimate human filter. It's designed not just to create more stuff, but to multiply the impact of what gets created.
This is the key distinction right here. AI is an incredible tool for multiplying output. It can generate thousands of images, lines of code, you name it. But a human with taste, they can take that fire hose of content and multiply its impact by finding the one thing that truly connects, the one thing that actually achieves the goal. So the crucial point is this: as AI makes the cost of creating things plummet to basically zero, the ability to recognize what's good, to have taste, that becomes the real bottleneck. That's the rare and expensive skill. Because you have to understand, AI is just an amplifier. It's not going to magically make you better. It just takes whatever level you're already at and scales it up. If your taste is kind of mediocre, AI will just help you produce a whole lot more mediocrity way faster. It doesn't elevate you, it reveals you.
And that leads us to our third and maybe the most important skill of all: meaning. This is the ultimate why. It's that uniquely human ability to connect raw information to a deeper purpose, to a belief.
An AI can process data, find patterns, and produce information. It can even explain things to you. But it cannot create meaning. Humans, we are the ones who interpret that information through our values and our intentions, answering that fundamental question, why does any of this even matter?
I mean, think about it. We don't rally behind leaders because they have the most optimized spreadsheets. No way. We follow them because they give us a story, a vision, a direction that feels worth pursuing. That's something an AI just can't invent out of thin air.
So in our new world, where pretty much everyone has access to the same AI-driven intelligence, a leader who can't provide that why is going to be painfully exposed. When information is everywhere, the absence of a clear, compelling meaning becomes glaringly obvious. So look, understanding these 3 skills, judgment, taste, and meaning, that's just the first step.
The real challenge is your new mission, to actively shift yourself from being just an operator who follows instructions to being a leader who provides direction. That is how you become indispensable.
But, and this is a big but, do not make the critical mistake of thinking, great, I'm human, so I'm safe. That way of thinking is so dangerous. These skills aren't some permanent birthright. They have to be earned, and they have to be sharpened.
So how do you actually do that? First, you sharpen your judgment by making real decisions with real stakes. Own the outcome, good or bad. Second, sharpen your taste. Consume the absolute best in your field. Compare it to your own work and be absolutely ruthless about your standards. And third, sharpen meaning. Decide what you actually stand for and then make damn sure your actions line up with it.
This really is the bottom line, folks. AI is not going to make humans irrelevant, but it will make unexamined humans irrelevant. The future doesn't belong to people who can just follow a tutorial. It belongs to the people who actively develop these deeper skills. If you remember absolutely nothing else from this, please remember this. AI gives us intelligence, but intelligence without judgment is dangerous. It gives us output, but output without taste is just noise. And it gives us information, but information without meaning is completely empty.
Ultimately, this whole conversation isn't really about the technology. It's about us. The real question we should all be asking ourselves isn't what AI can't replace. It's about what we're choosing to build within ourselves. The real question is, who are you becoming?